Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I am Kartina Abdulkani, your mobile app trainer for our hands-on mobile apps workshop this weekend. Okay, I would like to share with all of you to do some simple preparation before class. Why do we need you to do this? So that we can have a smooth operation, okay? So that we can focus on the success of mobile apps development and also how you are able to make money via mobile apps, and you all can actually be doing it hands-on with us. All right, so the preparation. All right, so let me continue. All right, so we are saying that there's no need for you to have an IT team, there's no need for you to learn programming, and you'll be able to build apps. All right, okay, so preparation before class. First and foremost, we need you to register for your free account. Okay, you need to go to mobileappvalley.com. all right, so I'm gonna open it now. Alright, so this is mobileappvalley.com, ladies and gentlemen. So what you need to do, you need to click sign up and then put in your name. It looks simple, ladies and gentlemen, but I need you all to focus a bit. IMB Academy, alright. Please put in an email that you will be able to receive our confirmation email. So I'm going to put here apps master builder webinar class at gmail.com. Alright, if you have a website, put in a website. If you don't have a website, there's no worries, ladies and gentlemen, that's not compulsory. Okay, please put in your phone number so that we can contact you if there's any issue. Alright, the challenge is in the password. Okay, but the password, okay, let me open a notepad. Alright, okay. The password requires uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and also a special characters. Okay, and dash and minus, ladies and gentlemen, and dash and underscore is not accepted. This is not accepted as special characters. Alright, so and minimum is 9 characters. Okay, so let me try to do this. I just put here Tina, alright, and then I put here 1, 2, 3, okay, and then I put this as a special character. So how many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Done. You can put more than 9, alright. Okay, so I'm gonna put that, and please copy and paste here. Alright, agree, red, okay, and please look, ladies and gentlemen, when you click sign up, you must observe at the top on your right is success and is green in color. Sometimes you may have red in color. When it's red, that means it's not success, so you have to repeat it back. So I'm going to click sign up, and I'm going to observe here at the top here, green, yes, have been created successfully. So this is the preparation that you need to do. Yes, it's not going to be activated until the class, all right, until the weekend class. So as long as it's successfully, all right, that's the most important thing. Okay, so let's go back to the slide. Okay, all right, so please, upon successfully doing it, so you see the green button, okay, please copy and paste your name in the group WhatsApp so that we are aware that you have done the preparation. Okay, please do be punctual at 10 o'clock, ladies and gentlemen, and we shall open the Zoom at about 9:30 a.m. We shall send the Zoom, okay, via WhatsApp, and also share in the group. Okay, and we would like to recommend during the practical to use 2 devices. Yes, 2 devices. One device is actually to do the practical, and then another device you can actually listen, you can see, and then you do, you see, you do, you see, you do. So it's going to be much more smoother, all right, rather than it's on the laptop, you have to go here, go there, and so on, and you may miss out. However, we're gonna only start the practical after lunch, okay, targeted to be after lunch. Actually, just before lunch we're gonna start, so that you have some idea. And after that, after the after lunch we're gonna straight doing it. So during the first session, ladies and gentlemen, you can come via a laptop only, and actually we recommend via laptop so that you can see clearer, but then when we go for a break, then next you should be coming with 2 devices. If you only have 1 device, ladies and gentlemen, okay, you still can join. It's not that you cannot join, because this is a free intro class for everybody. At least you can see others doing it. You can try to follow, okay, you can try and follow. But if you have some issues and so on, okay, listening may be a much more better way to go about doing it. All right, so we thank you for being interested to join our class. We look forward to see you tomorrow. Bye bye.